Now just open up the folder where you want to create a project and just type cmd here. It will open up the command prompt. Now just type in the command npx create React app for creating a React application, and the name of application will be form, simply form. Now it will create a React application. Now our React application is ready. Just cd into the folder cd form and type in code dot. So it will open up the VS Code. Now let us delete some unnecessary files from the template React application. So just open up the src folder and delete this app.css, app.test.js, logo.svg, report web vital, and setup tests. So these are not necessary files for our project, and remove the corresponding imports from index.js file and app.js file. I'm removing this react.strict mode as well. This is not required. Okay, so now our React application is ready. Just remove these unnecessary imports. Now just open up the terminal, and so inside the terminal just type in the command npm install I -D Tailwindcss. So this will install the Tailwindcss library. We are using this library for utility classes. Now just type in the command npm install yep and add design. Now our libraries are installed. Now just go back to the Tailwindcss documentation. So here this is a very beautiful documentation where they have given how we can configure our React application with Tailwindcss. Now we have installed the Tailwindcss. Just type in this command npx Tailwindcss init. This will create a Tailwindcss config file here. As you can see, this is the file. And inside of this content array, just copy paste the content that is given on the documentation. So this is basically telling that inside the src folder, apply the Tailwindcss utility classes to all .js files, .jsx files, .ts and .tsx files. After that, just add these 3 lines to the index.css file. So index.css, remove everything from there and just copy paste this. So this will add the Tailwindcss utility classes. And now let us go back to the app.js file and let us check whether Tailwindcss is configured or not. So just type in the div and write something like welcome, and inside this I will provide the class name. I'll provide the Tailwindcss utility classes. So text 3xl and text center. Let's run the application. npm run start. As you can see here, this welcome text is centered in the screen. So these classes are working perfectly. So we can confirm that Tailwindcss is configured.